Hey everybody, we're out here at Lincoln Electric. Cynthia stopped by with her monster truck to sign these beautiful license plates for all the employees. But more importantly, we want to give her a nice little gift of the new helmet that just came out, the anniversary helmet.
Oh, that
There
makes
you go.
me happy. It fit with my truck too.
Look at that.
Red, white, and blue for the 250 anniversary. That's amazing. Brand new.
Yeah.
Those are hard to get right now.
Hot off the press.
That's awesome. I'm super excited. I'm gonna add it to my collection and gonna keep that precious. Thank you guys. It was
No
amazing.
problem.
It was cool to get to see all the employees and to put some smile on their face, and some had their kids, and a lot are coming to the
Beautiful. It was beautiful.
competition Saturday. So it'll be a lot of fun, and hopefully I can bring the victory.